Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explaining about how to deploy this website using Netlify application. I am gonna explain just one only minute. Okay. First of all, this website, create a folder and open it and, and open Netlify. Netlify is visible and open it down and let's get started. Wait for some time. Wait. There is a network issue in that my application. Like this. This one is visible. How to deploy this website? Like click on it, add new project, and deploy manually, and drag and drop a project, and document in my this one, and upload down. Yes, upload. Wait for it some time. Wait. And quick setup for this. I give it's your favorite domain name like this. Shiva Kumar website. Okay, this website and update project name and finish later, and our website is hosted, is visible. Okay, thanks for watching and how to deploy a Netlify app. After some time, check this one. This one is working. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for watching.